If your WordPress website hosted on Bluehost has been infected with malware, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to check your site for suspicious core file changes, review the results, and take the next best actions to help clean things up. This is a great starting point if your website is acting strange, redirecting visitors, showing warnings, or just not behaving the way it should. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your Bluehost account using the browser you normally use to manage your hosting. Once you're signed in, you should see your Bluehost dashboard. From here, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools and controls for your hosted sites, so go ahead and click on Websites to continue. Next, find the WordPress website you want to check. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one. This is an important step because you want to scan the exact website that may be affected by malware or file corruption. After selecting your WordPress site, open the security section. Inside security, you should see an option called Check Core WordPress Files. This tool is designed to look for changes in important WordPress core files. Malware often hides by modifying these files, so this scan can help you identify whether something has been tampered with. Click Check Core WordPress Files to begin. Now run the scan and let Bluehost analyze your WordPress installation. Depending on the size of your website and the number of files involved, this may take a short moment. While the scan is running, it's best to avoid making other changes so the results stay clear and easy to review. Once the scan finishes, carefully review the results. If Bluehost detects corrupted, missing, or modified WordPress core files, that's a strong sign that something is wrong. In that case, follow Bluehost's recommended repair option. This usually means restoring the affected core files so your WordPress installation returns to a clean and stable state. After that, make sure your WordPress site is fully updated. Update WordPress itself first, then update your themes and plugins. Keeping everything current is one of the easiest ways to reduce security risks because outdated software can leave your site exposed. If you have unused plugins or themes, it's also a good idea to remove them entirely. If your website still shows signs of malware after the scan and updates, the next step is to contact Bluehost support for malware cleanup. They can help investigate deeper issues and guide you through additional recovery steps. Sometimes malware may be hiding beyond the core files, so getting support involved can save you time and help protect your website. At this point, your goal is to confirm the site is clean, secure, and fully updated. After the cleanup process, always revisit your website in a browser, test a few pages, and make sure everything loads normally. If possible, also check your home page, login page, and any important landing pages to confirm the issue is gone. And that's it. You've now seen how to check your Bluehost hosted WordPress website for malware-related core file issues, review the results, update your site, and know when to reach out for support. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Bluehost or WordPress security guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.